Jai Srimanarayana. 196th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Hiranyanabhaya Namaha. O Srimanarayana, I realize that you have navel region with beautiful golden hue. Very auspicious navel you have. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Hiranyanabhaya Namaha. Om Hiranyanabhaya Namaha. With meditation upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Lakshmana Swami is spending that entire night while protecting Sita Ramachandra Swami and while talking to Guha. Lakshmana is saying that, oh Guha, after sending Rama away from him, I don't think Dasharatha Maharaj would be going to alive anymore. Oh Guha, the moment Dasharatha Maharaju departs from the body, Kausalya Devi also won't be alive. When this happens, I don't think my mother Sumitra also would be alive anymore. Oh Guha, I think everything is destroyed now. It's huge destruction. Oh Guha, if something happens to my father, we are not even there. We are not there to even do the final rites. How misfortune that we are having, Guha. Guha, repeatedly that beautiful Ayodhya kingdom is coming into my thoughts again and again. Oh Guha, do you know how the Ayodhya used to be? Always, every home used to be always decorated, and in front of houses also there always will be so pure and nice clean premises every home has in Ayodhya. Such Ayodhya coming into my thoughts again and again, Guha. You know, the streets would be always clean and wide roads, and all the houses on both sides of the roads, those houses are in such a wonderful pattern. Such wonderful patterned houses and all the roads, such beautiful Ayodhya is coming into my thoughts again and again, Guha. There are so many beautiful, tall palaces. Such great Ayodhya coming into my thoughts, Guha. Wherever we see in Ayodhya, everywhere we get to see beautiful chariots, beautiful powerful horses, wonderful elephants. Such wealthiest Ayodhya, Guha. That Ayodhya coming into my thoughts again and again. Oh Guha, everywhere nice beautiful music and auspicious music, Nadaswaras, Mangalakara Shabdas. Always I get to see people are very happy. Every parks, all the places filled up with people enjoying. Such beautiful, such wonderful Ayodhya coming into my thoughts again and again, Guha. There used to be so many occasional festivals. You can't even imagine how many people would be enjoying in those occasional festivals. Such great Ayodhya coming into my thoughts again and again, Guha. That is the Ayodhya. Such Ayodhya is to be under the ruling of my father. Now we are not there. I think only lucky people, only fortune people gets to live in Ayodhya. We are not that lucky, Guha. So we are away from that Ayodhya now. Now we have to go through these forests for 14 long years, Guha. After completing this 14 years, after we go back to Ayodhya, I don't know by then if my father would be alive or not. I don't know. Like that, Lakshmana is remembering all those beautiful moments in Ayodhya and crying and sharing those all those things with Guha. Then Guha also moving to tears a lot. Mumocha Bashpam Vyasanabhipiditaha. Guha also crying a lot. What is going to happen next, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 21st sloka. Marichihi Damano Hamsaha Suparno Bhujagottamaha Hiranyanabhaha Sutapaha Padmanabhaha Prajapatihi. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. This month, August 22nd, Saturday, Vinayaka Chaviti, Vishwaksena Chaturthi. On that occasion, all of us together at once, according to Indian timings, 7:30 p.m. on 22nd August. According to America Central timings, morning 9 a.m. We all will do our Narayanastra slokas at once and make Vinayaka and Vishwaksena very happy and get their blessings. Relating to this occasion, we will be releasing one video which will be titled as Vighna Nivarana Chaturthi Narayanastram, and will be released half an hour before these timings in Gattus Karishya Vachanantava, and also will be sent to all the groups. So I request all those who have taken Narayanastram must follow this, and on this special occasion, if all of us together we do our slokas, that will become entire Ramayana Parayana, 33 times Gita Parayana, 24 times Vishnu Sahasrana Parayana, and Vinayaka and Vishwaksena will be very, very happy and give their blessings. So those who have not taken Narayanastram requested to go to narayanastram.org and get their Narayanastram. Om Hiranyanabhaya Namaha. Om Hiranyanabhaya Namaha. Om Hiranyanabhaya Namaha.